back.
Y'all, I'm gonna insert this clip when we do our upstairs bathroom, guest bathroom reveal. You guys know that we're working on the upstairs bathroom, and I told my sister before we started that I was going to use things out of our dining room. I was going to take stuff out of our dining room and use them upstairs in our guest bathroom when I decorate. Y'all, this is what she done said.
First of all, I was like, who takes stuff out their dining room and they can fit in their bathroom? I was like, who does that? And I was like, oh Lord, this gonna be an old bougie bathroom. It was. I was glad she prepared me though, because sure enough, I walked up in that mug. It felt like you in a hotel, because I act like I was a visitor, like I ain't never been in here before, like I ain't never seen this stuff. I'm in there looking at the little frames, and I was like, oh, it did make me want to step my game up and stop buying all them Walmart pictures and hangings and stuff, and want to get some stuff in some good frames. It's like the good frames. It's like, you know, that it's like painted and stuff. Like the edge be one color, the border be another color. It was them good, pretty frames.
I'm mad you done called my bathroom bougie.
It was bougie, but it was cute. It was comfortable. We enjoyed it. It felt like staying at a hotel. It was a little better than a hotel, actually. But yeah.
I can't with her. I can't. But
bougie bathroom.
Well, y'all, we get ready to see the bougie bathroom. this the end of the video. But after we did the first clip, listen to what this girl done said.
I ain't want to be a spoiler, but we went in there like she got these little bead things, jewels.
So they would have seen it because they've seen the reveal now. So they saw the beads.
Yeah, y'all see the prayer beads around. That's what I'm gonna call them. Prayer meditation beads around the towels. I was like, where'd she come up with that from? That's a creative. It was cute, but I ain't gonna lie, it had it feeling all spa-like and it had me wanting to meditate and things. I was about to grab them beads and sitting up there talking about some young ho ring kill while I'm beating my face a little bit, young ho, because it was just so comfortable. I did. I was like, that's the type of beads that you be holding on. You know when you be meditating and praying, y'all.
Girl, them beads, that's a necklace I don't wear no more. That's a necklace.
I done called them the spa meditation prayer beads. I wanted to grab, but I didn't want to mess up your little decor. I was like, oh, it just made me want to meditate. But no lie, as many times I done did my makeup in that bathroom, I literally brought in a chair. I just couldn't stand.
You brought in a chair?
I brought in a chair. I started to grab them beads. I ain't playing. I was about to meditate, and hold them beads in my hand. But I didn't do it because I was scared you was gonna do a YouTube video about me coming in messing up your decor because I wouldn't put it back how you liked it. So I just left it alone. But
look, I'm glad we got the bathroom done before the two little tornadoes got up here. Hey, baby.
I'm leaving.
For the two little tornadoes. So you guys, my family's getting ready to leave, but I just had to insert this at the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the bathroom reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching, all of your support. We want you guys to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up button. Y'all already know, shake something. Shake something. Shake
some meditation beads.
Some meditation. Meditation beads. So the little tornadoes, they messed the bathroom up too bad?
No, they did good in there. Because I tell you, walk in there, you feel like it's fancy. Like I need to put stuff back. Like I even did stuff like I fixed the curtains when I got out the shower. Because you know when you get out the shower, you be like wanting to put it back. And I'll be like,
well, had they messed it up, we just would have fixed it. They couldn't have messed it up too bad. So it's to be used. It's a bathroom. All right. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye. I'm sad. My sister feels so.
Don't be sad. You got your meditation beads. Let's go meditate together.